Hello everybody. Today we will be exploring the sound blocks. The sound blocks are what gives your animation sound. Start with the play sound. The play sound basically plays a sound without pausing until it's done. And like always, you can record your own sound or choose a different sound. To choose a different sound, you go here, get rid of this guy or leave it, it's up to you. Then go here, and they have many options of sounds. Let's go back. So let's try that one out. That one plays the meow, but depending on the sound you choose, they'll play whatever you want. So it plays the sound until the actual recording is done. So if your recording is long, then it'll continue until it's done with the recording. Okay, so this one is very similar. The difference between this one and this one is that the play sound pauses your sprite from moving or doing anything until it finishes with the sound. This one does not pause. It just continues. Your sprite continues doing whatever it's doing without pausing its functionality. This one stops all sounds. So if you have a lot of sounds going on, just want to stop it whenever you click a button or something, this stops the sounds. This one changes the pitch effect, or the pen left right. Let's see. Once we're finished with all the modules, I would like to use the things we haven't used, because we haven't used a lot of these sound effects, and kind of demo them on a small little project so you guys can see how we can use them. But this one changes the pitch, so I'm assuming we need a sound, and then this one, let's see. Oh, I see. So if you guys notice, the higher the value, the higher the pitch, and the lower the value, the lower the pitch. And this one just sets the pitch, similar to this change, but this one sets it instead of changing it. Then we have the clear sound effects. It clears any sound effect you may have on your sprite that is currently playing or currently being executed. Then we have this change value by. Change volume by. This one just changes the volume of the sound. So let's see. Is it louder? Let's see. I guess slightly louder. It just changes the volume. This one sets a value to a percentage. It's similar to the change volume, but I think it's by percentage. And then you can you can use this as a tool to check for volume in one of the these modules here to make sure that if you want to check for volume and do some action based on that, then you can do that. Now we're done with those sounds modules. We could explore the recording of it if you guys want to do that. Maybe we should do that. Let's explore this. So this here, you can play it. Let me see. Softer. That one. Oh, these are effects, so you can make, I guess, change the effect and the actual sound. That one was funny. Copy to view. No, I want to see how to record my own. Okay, let's figure out how to record our own. So right here under the choose a sound, there's a microphone. Let's record our own. And it's gonna ask you that it would need your permission to record, and you have to say yes. We need your permission to use your microphone. Okay. I can use my microphone. What's it doing? Why is it not doing anything? Nope. Go back. Oh, I guess I have an issue with Scratch using my microphone. Because I'm using it for the recording. But I'm assuming once you this won't pop up, and then you could use these and start recording. So it looks like very simple. Just click on record, and then it'll show you the level of your recording here. So then here you can edit your sound, but let's explore the sounds that are already in there. Oh, you can upload sounds too if you have other sounds. Surprise. What is a surprise? Oh, I guess it just randomly selects something for you. Yeah, it's kind of like that. I feel lucky in Google. It just randomly selects something for you. Okay, so the sounds, let's see what they have. These are all electrical instruments. Piano. These are all instruments. Here. Oh. Yeah, I don't want to wake up people. More instruments. That would be good for something. That was a ball. It's a dog barking. So they have a lot of sounds, and you can always filter them by what you want. Animals. Effects. Loops. Oh, I see. That's what they mean by loops. It just loops over and over. Something that loops over and over. Wacky. Oh. Those are pretty cool. Persian. Yeah, so let's see all these sounds. They have quite a lot of sounds that you can use. Zip. Yeah. And with that note, we'll wrap this up, and we'll go over the control block tomorrow. We've used a lot of these already on our projects, or at least most of it. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.